This video is showing you how to check your grades and find out which assignments you need to complete now that we have the new direction from the Oregon Department of Education. If you log into your home page and click on the Grades tab, it's going to take you to the Gradebook where you can see each section of the Gradebook and what is actually what's been graded and what hasn't. So the Gradebook is set up into 3 sections that you need to worry about. One section is students that started after March 7th. So if you started anytime after March 7th, you need to look at this section. Then the other section is required for students starting before March 7th. So if you started school with us before March 7th, this is the section you need to look at. And then anything above and beyond that is all in the extra credit category. So number 1 that you need to worry about, the dash lines mean that you do not need to complete that work. So the dash lines mean you do not need to complete anything. So if you're looking at this, you clearly do not need to complete anything after March 7th. And then required for students starting before March 7th, you can look in this section and you can see on this gradebook there are 2 zeros that are negatively affecting this grade right here. So I would need you to complete 2 fitness forms, and you can either go back and submit February 28th or March 7th, or you can submit fitness form 1 and fitness form 2. Your choice. You have from now until the end of the semester, so until that first week of June to complete your fitness forms. So for those of us who started before March 7th, just look at this category. Anything with a 0, you need to complete that many fitness forms. And if you started with us after March 7th, you should see dash lines in this category, right? And then you should see your grades in these 2 fitness forms. So this person obviously has entered 1 fitness form, has yet to submit the second one. So anything again, dash lines, you don't need to complete. Just look at the fitness forms with the 0. If you were a student who passed or who started prior to March 7th, you look at this category. If you're a student who started after March 7th, you look at this category. Hopefully that straightens things up. Again, you're only responsible for the grades, for the assignments that have 0s as grades. So you would only need to complete the assignments that have 0s as grades. You do not need to do ones with dash lines.